In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Google app for desktop. So in Google search box, write the Google app for desktop. Then you can get this search google.com and Google app desktop. So let's click this. Now here you can see ask anything with the Google app for desktop. So let's click on this download the app. So app this downloaded. Google app installer exe file is there. Click on this. So this here downloading and currently this is installing there. So this is recently launched and here this icon that's created. Now you can do with sign in or do this later. So let's do this later. And this here you can see this Google app. Now let's make that little bigger. Now writing there hi, this returning there. So I'm going to ask what exactly Google app for desktop. This is my query is there. So this is now searching. Google app desktop is a standalone search application for Windows 10 and 11. And a browser it sets the background and can trigger by the simple keywords this one. So this is the Google app for standalone search. Here you can do the search any kind of things. If I close this here Google app for desktop that's come there, you can ask any question in the format of AI bot. This is to take the screenshot, I think. Let's look like image generate a simple color of this one. Okay, I have taken the screenshot. This is now returning. This is it's like AI mode. Okay, this is the picture. So all AI, all you can select there. Product here, you can select visual matches. So closing this one, then and here I'm going to ask them when exactly Google app for desktop launch. So 14th April this launched there and today is the 15th. So yesterday this launched there. You can ask anything. So Chrome there you can search on the website. This is AI mode is there. Whatever you can give, this is returning there. Here all selected and here news everything you can treat. So this is how we can do the installation or download of Google app for desktop. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.